Okay, so now we're back on chapter 4, and this is video 4, and we're going to talk about how to calculate the FIT withholding. There are two methods. One is called a wage bracket method, which is the easiest, or I use a percentage method. The percentage method is used mostly when employees receive a large sum of wages or salaries. It's for highly compensated individuals, people who basically work salary. There are other methods, but we're not going to talk about them. And all of this information, in order to figure this out, here's what we need to know. We need to know their filing status. Are they single? Are they married? How often they're paid, the gross pay, and the number of allowances. And you'll find the wage bracket method and the percentage method in this chapter. So let's take a look at some calculations. Nani's annual salary is $40,144. This is not a highly paid employee. She's paid bi-weekly, and this is important to know, okay, because we're going to have to take a look at the tables. And her W-4 shows married, filing jointly, and no entries in steps 2 to 4. Remember, that's on the W-4. So what she's saying is she's married, filing jointly, but her spouse does not work. Okay, so let's get started. Here are the facts. Nani's annual salary is $40,144. She's paid bi-weekly, and her W-4 shows married, filing jointly, and no entries in steps 2 through 4. What is her FIT withholding? So she's paid bi-weekly, so we need to find out, here's how much she's paid for the whole year. When I divide by 26, because it's bi-weekly, here is her gross amount each payroll. So I'm actually going to use the tax table B. It's on page T7 to look this up, and we're going to find her FIT is $59. So let me show you this. I brought the tax table into here. So you got to make sure you're on the right table. It's bi-weekly payroll. This is the wage bracket method. She's married, filing jointly. So I come down here to find out where she is. Oh, see, I already forgot how much. $15.44 per pay period. So that means, so it's at least this amount, but not over this. And standard filing, so her taxes are $59. So that's how that's actually figured out. $59. I want to show you how to use these charts. The hardest part is you got to make sure you're on the right chart under the right filing status. Okay, example number 2. John earns an annual salary of this amount of money and he's paid bi-weekly. His W-4 shows married, filing joint with no entries in the steps. First thing I want to do is divide by 26 to find out my gross wages each pay period. Now, because of this salary, we're going to use the percentage method, and it's a little bit different. So I'm going to find the percentage method on table A, page T-2. Now, I'm going to go show this to you first, but we're looking for married, filing jointly, and biweekly. And this is his gross, $47.84. So here's an example of the chart. Up here it says biweekly. I don't know if you can see it. And we are looking for at least, I already forgot what I was looking for, but it goes in this category. It was 41, hold on, 47.84. So it's in between these two numbers, okay? So this is a progressive type tax. Here is a flat amount plus 22% of the excess over 4,040. Because let's go back. So I need to find the excess. So it's 355.14 plus the 22% of the excess over here. So minus this from the gross. Take this number times 22% and add the two numbers, so there is his actual tax number. Okay, so this completes video number 4. We're going to finish in video number 5. I have 2 more calculations to show you.